Truly surprising, wouldn't you say?
It's a fake. Hello, who's speaking?
Clary Bitson. To be honest, I haven't decided yet, but I would like to have a, what's the word?
Valuation. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to present lot 231. And Miss Claire, what else can you tell me about her?
Suffers from a very strange illness.
He speaks to her, but through a closed door.
Closed door? You mean he's never seen her face?
Not only him, no one has. Are you here, Miss Ibbotson?
Everything can be faked, Virgil.
Why do you systematically avoid meeting me?
I wish to tell you to cease all involvement in my affairs. Let me have your bill for expenses. Good night.
Claire, what's wrong? Tell me what happened. What's it like living with a woman?
Like taking part in an auction sale. You never know if yours will be the best offer.
Well, when you think you've made it with a woman, that is when you lose your grip on strategy.
I need to see you.
Go away! Claire!
Who is it really?
There's always something authentic concealed in every forgery.